Boring, predictable, lack of character. Despite the unparalleled popularity and unquestionable qualities, the RAV4 has also been criticized a lot, both by experts and by the crowd. Now, with the new generation introduced, that won't be the case anymore, as the new model seems to solve every single complaint people had about it. Here are 6 ways the 2026 Toyota RAV4 turns Toyota haters into believers. Number 6. Exterior that turns heads. Gone are the days when Toyota meant bland and forgettable styling. The 2026 RAV4 is throwing out everything we thought we knew about conservative Toyota design language. The new RAV4 is adopting what Toyota calls a modern, boxy exterior that completely abandons the sleeker aesthetic of previous generations. Instead of following trends, Toyota is setting them with a higher beltline, straighter character lines, and a genuinely aggressive stance that screams confidence. The design team has clearly taken inspiration from the Land Cruiser side of Toyota's portfolio, giving the RAV4 a presence that commands respect on the road. The front end is where the revolution really begins. Split headlights and a paint-matched grille create a futuristic appearance that looks nothing like the conservative Toyota designs of the past. These modern design cues are giving the RAV4 a tech-forward appearance that's going to turn heads in parking lots everywhere. The rear gets dramatic changes too, with sleek horizontal LED taillights accented by techy vertical light elements. Following Toyota's latest branding strategy, RAV4 is boldly spelled out across the tailgate, making sure everyone knows exactly what they're looking at. But here's what's really going to surprise Toyota critics. This isn't just about looking good. The redesigned body is actually more aerodynamic than before, with Toyota claiming they've optimized the front and rear spoilers and restyled the wheels for better airflow. This means the new RAV4 doesn't just look more exciting, it's also more efficient than ever before. Number 5. Premium level interior. Toyota interiors have long been criticized for feeling utilitarian and lacking personality. The current RAV4's cabin, while functional, has felt dated compared to competitors for years. The 2026 model is completely changing that conversation with a refreshed, modern cabin that's packed with technology and thoughtful design touches. The transformation starts with the center console, which features a clever 2-level design that provides designated spots for multiple smartphones without sacrificing cup holder space. There's still plenty of room left for wallets, keys, and other everyday items, showing that Toyota is finally thinking about real-world usability in premium ways. Front seat passengers are also getting access to a built-in tray on the dashboard. The center console's dual-hinged compartment opens from both driver and passenger sides, making it genuinely useful for everyone in the vehicle. What's really going to shock Toyota critics is the attention to premium materials. Models with Toyota's Softex faux leather upholstery are extending this material to the front door panels for a more refined look. Woodland models are adding an embossed pattern, rubber floor, and cargo mats, plus striking bright orange trim on the steering wheel and center console. At the sporty end, GR Sport models feature suede sport seats with moderate bolstering, GR logos on the headrest and steering wheel, and eye-catching red stitching. Number 4. Latest tech features. Every 2026 RAV4 is coming equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive leap from the 7-inch display found in the 2025 model. This new cluster puts navigation graphics directly in the driver's line of sight, reducing time spent with eyes off the road. The infotainment experience is getting an equally impressive boost. The LE, XLE, SE, and Woodland trims feature a high-resolution 10.5-inch touchscreen, while the Limited, XSE, and GR Sport step up to a sprawling 12.9-inch display. All 2026 RAV4s are running Toyota's latest infotainment system, which has already proven itself in models like the Tundra, Tacoma, and Camry. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Toyota has refined the voice control system for what they're promising will be faster, more natural interactions. The RAV4 is also debuting a new software development platform called Arene, an in-house creation from Woven by Toyota. This platform serves as the backbone for the RAV4's safety, security, and connectivity systems, enabling the SUV to receive over-the-air updates, not only for infotainment, but potentially for advanced driver assistance features as well. This integration is going to keep the RAV4 evolving long after each one leaves the showroom. Number 3. Next-generation hybrid powertrain. For years, Toyota critics have argued that the brand's hybrid technology, while reliable, was becoming outdated compared to newer systems. The 2026 RAV4 is proving those critics completely wrong with Toyota's next-generation hybrid powertrain that's setting new standards for efficiency and performance. The system centers on a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that's been completely redesigned for the modern era. Output is clocking in at 226 horsepower with front drive and 236 with all-wheel drive, numbers that are putting many traditional gas engines to shame. But power is just part of the story. Toyota has made improvements to the transaxle, power control unit, battery, and other components that are delivering a more refined, responsive driving experience. The battery technology is getting a complete upgrade too. Toyota has moved from old-school nickel-metal hydride batteries to more modern lithium-ion units. While these are still relatively small batteries compared to plug-in hybrids or full EVs, they're delivering impressive efficiency gains while adding minimal weight to the vehicle. The real brilliance of Toyota's hybrid system is its simplicity and elegance. Using a planetary gear set and 2 electric motor generators, the system can operate in series or parallel modes, depending on driving conditions. An engine designed to run at efficient RPMs, some electric motors, and a couple of gears. That's it. This simplicity is a huge part of why Toyota hybrid systems have proven so reliable, with fewer components meaning fewer things to break. Number 2. Plug-in hybrid that sets performance standards in the segment. While the standard hybrid is impressive, the plug-in hybrid version is where the 2026 RAV4 is really going to shock Toyota skeptics. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a complete reimagining of what a compact SUV can deliver in terms of both power and electric-only capability. The redesigned plug-in hybrid setup features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, working with a larger battery and dual electric motors to deliver up to 320 horsepower. That up to likely applies to the GR Sport models, while SE and XSE trims may receive slightly lower output. These are numbers that are putting many V6-powered SUVs to shame while delivering efficiency that traditional powertrains simply can't match. But the real game changer is the electric-only range. The PHEV's larger battery and other refinements mean it now has an impressive 50 miles of estimated electric-only range, an 8-mile improvement over the outgoing RAV4 plug-in hybrid. For most daily commuting scenarios, this means drivers can operate in pure electric mode, essentially turning their RAV4 into an electric vehicle for routine trips. Toyota is also addressing one of the biggest complaints about plug-in hybrids: charging speed. XSE and Woodland models powered by the PHEV system have DC fast charging compatibility, with Toyota estimating 30 minutes to charge from 10 to 80%. Charging on level 2 chargers is also getting quicker thanks to an 11 kilowatt AC onboard charger. This means owners won't be tied to slow overnight charging anymore. Number 1. More configurable than ever before. Perhaps the biggest surprise for Toyota critics is how the 2026 RAV4 is embracing personalization and choice. For the first time, buyers can choose from 3 distinct design personalities: Core, Sport, and Rugged. Each version brings its own flavor with unique interior and exterior touches, proving that Toyota finally understands that one size doesn't fit all. Core models, including the LE, XLE, and Limited trims, stick to a more traditional look with a clean, paint-matched grille. These versions are exclusively powered by Toyota's standard hybrid powertrain, with front-wheel drive being standard and all-wheel drive available as an option. This gives buyers who want efficiency and reliability exactly what they're looking for without forcing them to pay for features they don't need. The Woodland trim is reviving the idea behind the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Woodland Edition and taking it even further. It features a standard roof rack, black cladding, and chunky all-terrain tires for a tougher stance. The Woodland gets a squarer grille, Rigid Industries LED fog lights, and all-terrain tires. It's also the only model to have Toyota's logo on the grille rather than on the sheet metal. All-wheel drive comes standard on the off-road focused Woodland trim, and it comes equipped with a standard roof rack and crossbars, as well as a tow hitch for towing or attaching bike racks and other gear. Sport variants, SE, XSE, and the new GR Sport, have a more athletic appearance, including a rear spoiler. Sport models get a larger, more aggressive black grille, more pronounced body cladding, and a front fascia with oversized air intakes. Glossy black trim replaces the pieces found on Core and Rugged models, while a contrasting black roof, rear spoiler, and unique 20-inch wheels wrapped in summer tires complete the look. The GR Sport stands apart as the only RAV4 offered exclusively with the plug-in hybrid system. This creates a halo model that shows Toyota can build genuinely exciting vehicles when they want to. Rugged and Sport variants offer more flexibility, giving buyers a choice between the traditional hybrid and the more powerful plug-in hybrid setup. This level of configurability is something Toyota has never offered before in the RAV4 lineup. Critics who've accused Toyota of building one-size-fits-all vehicles are going to have to find new complaints, because the 2026 RAV4 proves that Toyota is finally listening to what different types of buyers actually want. But the key rivals are coming with updates as well. Check out this video about 6 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Honda CR-V is a genius move, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's compact SUV is getting a mid-cycle refresh that will ensure it keeps pace with the RAV4.